Equipment installation. Place the device on a flat surface and remove its outer packaging. Check that all accessories are included. Place the printer on a flat table. Remove the protective film from the printer's casing. Check the exterior for any damage. Connect the power supply. Turn on the printer's power. Equipment operation. The button at the bottom right corner controls the lifting chamber. The first icon is for file management. You can import your own projects here. The second icon is for device control. Here, you can manually control the build platform and perform exposure tests. You can control the height adjustment of the build platform. The adjustment options are 0.01 mm, 0.1 mm, 1 mm and custom. Move down. Move up. A slider controls the build platform's position. This makes lifting and lowering easier. Options for pausing and homing the build platform. The third icon is for basic device settings. The fourth icon shows basic device information. Equipment internal inspection. Open the lifting chamber. Move the build platform to a suitable position and remove it. Remove the resin tank and check it. Check for scratches or contamination. Step 1. Check if the optical path is clean. Inspect the device screen for scratches or dirt. Step 2. Check if the device projection is normal. Enter the menu and open the light measurement mode. Check if the projection is normal. You can place an A4 paper for clearer observation. Step 3. Check leveling. Reinstall the build platform. Place an A4 paper flat underneath. Use manual control and click Home. Hold both ends of the A4 paper and pull it out evenly. If the resistance feels the same with both hands, the leveling is complete. Printer leveling operation. Place an A4 paper flat. Use manual control and click Home. Loosen the screws on both sides of the build platform. Click Home again. Press the center of the build platform with your palm and tighten the screws diagonally. Check the leveling again. Replace the release film. Use a cross screwdriver to remove all the screws around. Prepare a new release film and remove the protective films on the top and bottom. Install the frame properly. Cut off the excess part. Install fixed to the original position.